Wanna know how to level up your characters fast in King's Road? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily level up your characters quickly in Game of Thrones KingsRoad Mobile. So let's get straight to it. So leveling up your characters fast in KingsRoad Mobile is all about efficiency. First, focus on completing main story missions because they give the most experience. Side missions are nice, but don't waste stamina on them early game so that your resources and the experiences are used efficiently and utilized properly. Always keep your stamina active, never let it recap. Run stages that give the best experience per stamina point. Upgrade your main heroes first. Stronger heroes clear missions faster, saving time and resources. Join an active guild or alliance to get extra XP bonuses. So with these small tips, your heroes will level up quickly. Just make sure you do story missions properly and you upgrade in an efficient way so that all of your energy and experiences don't go to waste. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.